Hi, we're BenchPals. We believe science should be fun, and I'd like to take a few minutes to explain to you how we're working to make it that way. As life scientists, our passion is in making new discoveries in a variety of disciplines. This requires us to be meticulous and organized, something which is easier said than done. Therefore, BenchPals strives to address data digitization, real-time experiment monitoring, and simplifying inventory management. Researchers are required to keep detailed records of experiment conditions, observations, and results, which we traditionally do by using laboratory notebooks, just like the ones you can see in the drawer here. As a result, labs accumulate a large collection of paperwork, which is very difficult to search through or keep track of. Monitoring results of experiments is also crucial in making scientific progress. With many pieces of equipment in each lab producing various data file types, it would be ideal to have a cloud data storage system that could manage all experimental data and keep our lab notebooks updated automatically. Lastly, in order to run a lab efficiently, we need to have an up-to-date record of what chemicals and supplies we have on our shelves and in our fridges or freezers, and what we need to restock. By digitizing this process, the time it takes to order or receive necessary supplies can be dramatically reduced, allowing us to fit in more experiments. Apparently, we're not the only researchers who feel this way. We surveyed our peers in academic and industry labs, and what we found was resounding. Even though 84% of the researchers we surveyed stated that their lab has a purchase order system in place, more than half of them are routinely frustrated with how the purchasing process is carried out. Clearly, the fact that we conduct state-of-the-art research doesn't mean that the way we manage these labs is the most efficient. This is where BenchPals comes in. BenchPals aims to digitize the laboratory environment, making daily administrative tasks that the researcher, principal investigator, and lab managers face much easier and less time-consuming. Basically, we've developed the app that we needed to make our lab work more streamlined and organized that no one else had made for us. In addressing the problems that we faced personally as researchers, we came up with a technology which we believe all 21st century scientists will benefit from. BenchPals is founded by Qingyao, Jasmine, and Raul. Qingyao and Jasmine are PhD students at NYU Poly and came up with the idea for BenchPals after many a long lab day, feeling like too much precious time was being wasted on lab management. Raul, a postdoc at Weill Cornell, shares our vision of a digital lab and has brought his computer programming expertise to the table. We're BenchPals, and we care about making science fun and helping scientists have fun in the process. For more information, please visit us at benchpals.com.